Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to set 4K playback in Edge browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, and then come down below right here. Make sure you click on settings. That's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply come to system and performance. So click on that and it takes you right here. Now under maximum video resolution for enhancement, what you need to do is to switch from this lower version right here and switch to the higher version. It's as simple as that. Restart your PC and continue watch your video in higher resolution with Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.